Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Code and this is Ajay Avasthi. So friends, when we go for any interview, then the interviewer starts from the basic questions like what is inheritance, what is overloading, what is overriding, what is Gendex, what are collections, what are abstract classes and interfaces. And if we are not comfortable with these questions, so it may cause the rejections. So friends, I am going to start a series of question and answers of .NET, and today we will discuss about abstract classes and interfaces. So let's start. So friends, what is abstract class? So abstract class is a half-defined parent class which can contain abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods. Or we can say abstract class is a special type of class which cannot be instantiated and always act as a base class, and it can contain both abstract as well as non-abstract methods. Abstract class will always be a parent class, and the implementation of the abstract methods will be done by the child class or a inherited class. So first we have to understand about what is abstract methods and what is concrete methods. For any method, we are having the two things. First is like declaration and second is the definition or implementation. In abstract methods, we can only have declaration of the methods. That is called abstract method. And in non-abstract methods or concrete methods, we can have both like declaration plus definition. So let's understand this by code with example. So this is console application and this is the main class, and I have created a abstract class here, abstract class, and inside it this is a abstract method and other one is a non-abstract methods or a concrete method. An abstract class can be created by the keyword abstract, and same for like abstract methods will also be created by the abstract keyword. So here what we did, like first we create a class, abstract class, and then we have declared one abstract method and one concrete method. We created another class, main class. Main class is a child class and we just inherit the abstract class here. When we declare any abstract method, we have to override this in child class like this, like public override and then void and then get price, and provide a definition for this one. So this is the basic structure of abstract class, and we have to define all the abstract method by child class. If we don't do this, then we are getting errors. There is one more term, pure abstract class. So pure abstract class is a class that can only have all the methods as abstract. So it is called pure abstract class. So we are having some important points about abstract class. First point is we cannot create object of abstract class, but we can get the methods of abstract class by child class or a inherited class. Like in this example, we have a main class, inherited class or a child class. We can create an object here like main object to new main, and object dot get price and object dot so this is a get price is a abstract method and AC is a concrete method. So we can call both of its method by type class. And second is a class can only inherit from one abstract class. Suppose let's create another abstract class, abstract class, and just inherit it and build. So we are getting an error. Cannot have a multiple base class. Friends, as you know that the C# doesn't support multiple inheritance. So we can't have a two parent class. So a class can only inherit from one abstract class. And third is it provides a flexibility to define both abstract or concrete method. And this is a basic of abstract class. So let's move to interface. So what is interface? So interface is a user defined type like a class and which can contain only abstract methods. Interface is a contract between the class and the clients. So if we mention 4 to 5 methods inside the interface, so a class which inherits the interface have to implement all 4 to 5 methods forcefully. And interface is basically used to support the multiple inheritance or to achieve the multiple inheritance in C sharp. So let's understand this by practical. So let's create an interface. An interface is created by a keyword interface car void price void wheels. Friends, in interface all the methods are abstract. So this is the interface and we have defined 2 abstract methods here. So let's inherit it in main class and we have to implement all the abstract methods. Implement interface. So friends, all the methods here is implemented. So this is the interface. If we do not define any method, then so it is giving an error like let's check does not implement interface member car dot wheels. So friends, it is necessary to define all the methods inside interface. So interface is quite similar to abstract class. So we are having some important point about interface. First is like we cannot create object of interface. So like a abstract class, we cannot create an object of interface. And through drive class, we can call the methods of interface. And second is a class can only inherit from more than one interface. Means in a class, we can have multiple interface and we can inherit from more than one interface. Third is it can only have abstract methods. And fourth one is interface is by default public. So no need to define any access modifier. So friends, when we define any interface, like here we don't need to define any access modifier like public, protected or internal, as interface is by default public. And last is a no instance variable can be allowed in interface. Means we cannot declare any variable inside the interface, but we can declare the variable inside the abstract classes. These are the basic understanding about interface and abstract class. So friends, we are having 4 to 5 differences in abstract class and interface. First is method type. In abstract class, we can have concrete method as well as a abstract methods. But in interface, we can only have a abstract method. Second, multiple inheritance. Means interface can support multiple inheritance, but abstract class cannot support multiple inheritance. Third is instance member or a variable. We can declare instance member or a variable in abstract classes but cannot declare in interfaces. Last is access modifier. We cannot define access modifier in methods inside interface, but we can declare in abstract classes. Now friends, we can declare any type like properties, events and methods inside interface as well as in abstract classes. So friends, hope you like this video and understand the concept behind it. So friends, this is a basic about abstract classes and interfaces. And if you need some more clarification, you can comment on my video so I can give a proper answer to you. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you can get a coming videos notification. So thank you for watching.